actually done. I mean, I find it very therapeutic to do this now. The first ever time I tried it, I was just like, never again. This is too much. But now I'm just like, I really like doing this. Now I am going to go back inside and take a shower. Now that my car is nice and clean. I'm gonna leave this alone, go inside, take a shower, and start the rest of my evening.
If only I had listened for a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel it grow, like a body of water, seeping through the edges. Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burn.